Ladies and gentlemen, you know
Lifikile lilanga lebekade lilinzelwe ngalabovu. Kuhlasela kweligciwane icorona kwente umsebenzi walelitiko lemfundvo lesisekelo kutsi ube munyenti. Indvuna enjimucheha utsi kuphase labangu 2058 labaphila nekukhubateka kanti kubo bangu 943 labatfole ama-bachelors.
The results for this year, the main thing I get, the overall past, including those progress Lena said we're not able to support, stands at 76.2%, which is a drop, of 5.1%. And Chair, as much as we had a drop, I'm really grateful to all South Africans for having helped us, because in essence, I was expecting a bloodbath. And I am very grateful and appreciative of our teachers, our learners, that indeed they held their own in very difficult conditions. We tried everything in our powers to claw back on lost time, which we couldn't.
I-Free State iloku itidfonsa embili ngemiphumela lemihle kuleli.
It's Free State that is ranked top. And also in terms of their private schools, they're still ranked top. So they become number one in non-fee paying schools and also became number one. Mpumalanga, which was also a surprise to us, is ranked second in terms of the support for no-fee schools.
Nanobe nje i-COVID-19 ithikamete kufunza nekufundzisa eminyakeni lophelile, kepha umsebenzi lowendiwe bafundzi kulolu hlolo lwekuphela kweminyaka uyancomeka.
It must be acknowledged that in spite of a very difficult year, this cohort exceeded expectations. It is a pity that this class may not have been granted the full opportunity to demonstrate their full potential. It must be reiterated that the COVID-19 pandemic does not remove any of DBE's priorities outlined in the Action Plan 2019, but reshapes the existing priorities. The overall goals of the basic education sector remain the improvement of the quality of learning outcomes and the reduction of education inequalities.
Kuvalwa kwetikolo ngenxa yeligciwane icorona kwanzise ematfuba ekutsi bafundzi babukane netinkinga letahlukene.
So if schools are closed, they deprive or deny children the opportunity for social and emotional well-being. It also creates further challenges for children at risk for possible dropout. It also even lead to early unwanted child marriages and teenage pregnancy, but also, which is also important, it deprive learners and children from receiving school-based services such as school feeding, from nutrition program, immunization, mental health and psychological support.
physical sciences. In position 3, we have from Gauteng, Takudzwa Chikonye. Quite proud of him. Well done. In second place, we have Stephanus Johannes Krier from the KwaZulu-Natal province. For technical mathematics, in third place for technical mathematics, we've got Lungisani Mduba. Second place for technical mathematics, from Mpumalanga province, we have got Ntobisi Brian Hlachwayo. In technical sciences, we have in third position from Mpumalanga, Eric Mlondi Mavimbela. In second place, from the KwaZulu-Natal province, we've got Mcebo Lindoguhle Mthethwa. There they are, well done. And in first place for technical sciences, also from the KwaZulu-Natal province, we have Pumlani Kwanele Zuma. There is well done, Pumlani, well done.